What up guys, the Hot Wallet has a new mission for us that we can use and claim 17 hot. All right, and you guys know how difficult it is to mine just one hot. Very difficult guys, very difficult. And I'll be showing you in this video how you can actually participate in this mission, this event, and you should be able to claim, and by the end of this video you should be able to claim your 17 hot token. All right, by completing this mission. So I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So if you're interested, you have to pay attention to every single thing I'll be doing in this video so that you can replicate it and get a solution to this mission. All right, so if you're interested, pay attention to this video till the end. Alright, so first of all, before we get started, I want you guys to understand that you are going to need some Ethereum for this event. Either you have, maybe you get like $2 or $3, $4 worth of Ethereum, you are good to go. I'll be showing you how to make use of all that in this video. Alright, now quickly, once you get into your application, click on the mission right here. All right, so the next thing you should do here is to click on the download extension. Now we're going to be downloading this extension, and you know I've already told you guys the browser you can always use for using extensions are mostly Mises browser. You can use Brave browser and some other browsers that accept extension anyway, but I'll be using Mises browser in this video. All right, so if you've not gotten yours, go to the Play Store, head over to Play Store and download it. It's available on both iOS and Android. So and download this browser, and I will show you the next thing to do. So the next thing we should do here right now is to click on this download extension. Click on it. All right, so once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page right here, and you are supposed to add this to your browser. All right, but right now we can't add it on Chrome or in our mobile phone. Like I said, you must have downloaded your Mises browser. So all we'll do is to just copy this link. I'll copy this link from here. I'll copy it, then I'll head over. This is I'm copying this, copy this. Then you head over to the Mises browser if you've already downloaded yours. I'll head over there, you paste the link and you activate this page. Let's do that. All right, so here we are on our Mises browser. So you're just going to paste the link you copied in this box right here. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, paste, then I'll search it. It's going to open the same page for me. Now if you have a laptop, you have a desktop, you can still do this process. All right, you can still add this extension, hot extension, to your laptop and go ahead, do what you're supposed to do. All right, so it's very easy. All you have to do is to copy the same link. Maybe you send it through your email, then you open your email on your laptop, then you can click on the link and you'll be able to add this extension directly. That's just how it works. All right, so I'm just going to wait for this to load and I'll show you what to do next. So you can see over here it says add to Chrome. I'm just going to click on add to Chrome and see, and we'll be able to add this extension right here. Okay, accept this. Okay, all right, so once it's successful, this page opens and all you have to do is just click on this open wallet right here. Open wallets from here. Then all you need to do is, once the wallet is open, you now have to go back to your to your hot wallet where it is on Telegram. You go there, you copy your seed phrase from your hot wallet, you copy it and bring it back here in order for you to open your wallet here. Okay, so that's what we're going to do right now. Now let's quickly open the wallet first of all. All right, so now the wallet has opened. Now you can see it's asking us to either create a new account or you import an account. So we're going to import account, right? So I'm going to go to my wallet on Telegram, copy the seed phrase and bring it here and open and import the account right here. All right, so in case you don't know where to get your seed phrase, all you have to do is to click on this button right here, on the setting button, which is right here. Okay, then you have to go over here. You can see where it's written security and apps. Click on it. Then you click on seed phrase and private keys right here. You click on it. Then all you have to do is to click here. Okay, then you click on continue. Then your seed phrase will be blind this way. All right, you tap on it, you copy, then you go to your go back there to where you're supposed to put this seed phrase. All right, so just click on copy from here, then you are good to go. I'm going to copy mine. All right, so back here you can always click on this icon here in order for you to locate your wallet. All right, so I'm going to click here, open hot wallet. All right, so once it's loaded, you just click on import account. I'm going to click on import account right here and we select seed phrase. Yes, we are using seed phrase. Then we are going to paste what we copied right here. I'm going to block this so that you don't see my seed phrase also. All right, then click on continue. All right, we'll wait for this to load, then our account is going to be open right here. All right, so I'm just going to click on continue right here. I'm going to click on continue. All right, so you can see my account has been opened right here on the Mises browser. All right, so it has been opened here, meaning my wallet is back to normal here. All right, so what we'll do now, in order for us to complete this this mission, okay, you can just click here. You can see now what we have to do next, we've already installed the the extension right here. So what we can do now is let's click here and see what's happened next. Now they say the next thing to do is to sign any transaction via hot wallet extension on any dApps like Uniswap. All right, so they said we should use either Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or any other one, but I think let's go with Uniswap because they've already precisely mentioned Uniswap here, and I think it's the best thing for us to use. So let's go over to Uniswap right now. So to do that, you can just close your wallet right now. You can close it up. Okay, right now we are just going to use Uniswap by let me use another tab, open another tab. All right, okay, I'm going to add one more tab right here. Very good. Then here we write uniswap.org. Here we are, uniswap.org. Then you let it load. All right, so now once the page loads this way and opens, what you need to do is, okay, let's not go further, just connect your wallet. Click on connect wallet. All right, so you can see over here we don't have hot on the list, but it shows other wallets. Click on the other wallets right here. Now you can see we have hot wallet, so you click on hot wallet. Yes, we'll need to sign the contract. It's a normal thing. I'm going to connect this. Click on the connect button right here. I'm going to connect it. Okay. All right, I think our wallet is successfully connected. Yes, I think we are connected successfully right here. Now the next thing you should do is for us to click on select token, because now we will need to swap from Ethereum. We need to swap from Ethereum to another token. We just need to buy using these dApps. All right, that's just what they want us to do. So we're going to just quickly select one other token. Let me see, I don't know, let me just select let me just use maybe I'll just use USDC. Okay, all right, so what we will need to do is to sell Ethereum. I'm just going to sell, we have a maximum of 0.01. okay, I'm just going to use 0.0006. I'm going to use that way. I think that will be approximately $1. Okay, 0.97. all right, it's okay. So you click on review right here, click on it. Remember why you need your Ethereum as gas fee, to definitely ask you for that. So I'm gonna click here, continue. Okay, then swap. All right. All right, so after waiting for a very long time, this came up. I have to approve this by clicking on approve right here. This is the contract you'll be signing in order to approve that you are confirming to swap Ethereum to USDC. All right, so I'm doing that right here. Okay, after enough try and failed, it finally worked. All right, so you can see I've already swapped Ethereum to USDC right here. Okay, so now that we've swapped it, let me just check out let me open my wallet one more time. All right, so here we are. Now you can see, let me scroll down. Okay, normally, okay, yes, you can see now the US automatically, your whatever you swapped your token into is going to definitely appear here. So you can see my USDC is now available in my wallet right here. So I've already swapped it and I have some of it in my wallet right here. So guys, that is it. And what you need to do now, let's go back to the mission to finalize everything. All you need to do here now is to click on the claim button. Let's click on the claim button and let's see what happened next. Yes, now our mission was successful, guys. This was successfully completed, guys. So that's just how you can participate in this and claim your 17 HOT. But guys, the 17 hot reward will be added to your balance in 2 days. You can see it is written here. After you finish completing the task, just wait for like 2 days. Within 2 days you get your rewards on your balance. It's not instantly. All right, so they have to take their time to go through this and make it a successful mission. All right, so guys, that is it. I hope this video will really help you and guide you complete your mission so that you can also claim this 17 hot on the hot wallet. Like I said, you guys that are mining hot, you know what I'm talking about. Hot is so difficult to mine. To get just one hot is very, very difficult, guys. Make sure you follow the steps in this video and make it a successful one for yourself. All right guys, so if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. All right, give this video a thumbs up. And you guys know there are lots of people trying to get this done and they find it difficult to complete. So you can also do well to share this video with them so that you can help someone else to achieve this and also get their 17 hots on their balance. It's just the way I helped you guys to claim yours right now. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one, guys. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.